Hi, today in front of me REALME GT Neo 3T, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you will find here the screen recording icon. Hold it for a while and you'll see here the sound section, just to use the system sound on your device in screen recording. You should use the switcher. If you want to use also the microphone, you can activate the switcher. So now we will use the microphone and system sounds together. For example, if you want to only to comment something, for example some tutorials, just use only microphone. Also you can turn off these two options together and just record the mute videos. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.